it's 2nd of November 2022. This is Huopalahdentie on 2 vegan, 9 you don't need to fill 6 feet.
Yeah.
Because it's not that important. Replaced in 2011, but it was also built in the 1950s originally. Or, yeah, this organization. 114640909, the capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. At least there are glass doors here. Will be inspected in the next year, 2023. That doesn't go to the basement.
Yeah.
Oh, you can press. It's here in Munkkiniemi, Helsinki has was modernized Finland.
Inspected by Kivaisk, maintained by Kone.
Well, it's not the worst, but
Yeah.
they really should have modernized it with evergreen or something.
Yeah.
Instead of doing it like this.
Yeah.
Or maybe it was without any doors originally.
Yeah.
But no, I believe it was okay to me.
Mm. That's